Welcome to this OpenText filer video on file versioning, which is the ability of Filer to keep previous copies of a file when it's been edited or been overwritten by a new version. My name's Robin Redgrave. I'm a solutions consultant based out of the UK. Let's just go and have a look at how to enable this. Let's just log in here. And let's just go into the administration console, and you'll notice here I've got an option for file versioning. If I select that, I can enable file versioning, and if I wanted to, I can enable file version aging. So automatically after a number of days the previous versions of a file will be deleted. So a sort of automatic cleanup option. These versions, by the way, are just saved as whole files. It's not deltas or anything like that. So if you have a number of versions, and I think the maximum we can have is 10, that's obviously going to take up additional space for you. Oh, and something else you most probably need to be aware of is that currently this is only available for personal storage. It's not available for network storage that you've got. Let's just enable file version aging, and let's just specify 60 days to keep document, and then just save that. Just close and come back to my files, and in this instance I'm using personal storage for these files. So let's just take a document here, for instance. If I right click on that, I've got a version history, and currently I've just got the one file version that's available there. So let's just edit that file, and I'm going to edit that online. So let's just create a version called 1, and I'll save that, and let's create a 2 there as well, so making some changes to the document there. Having done that, let's just go back to have a look at our document here, and I've got my version history. Now you can see I've got my previous versions of a document available. If I wanted to, I can promote a version to be the current version of a document. So if I look at this one currently, that's going to be my version 2 of a document. And if I promote this version, that's now going to be version 1.3, and if I look at that, that's my version 1 now that I've promoted up to that. One thing that's quite useful with this, by the way, is that it can be useful in a little bit of ransomware protection. If I take this file here, if I upload a new version of that file, and let's take one that's ransomware encrypted, and I'll create a new version of that file. You can see now if I go in and have a look at that file, I can't view it. However, if I come in here, go to my version history, and I promote the good version to be the current version, so that's my bad version at 1.1. Now I go back, I can obviously see that. So it can give me a little bit of protection around ransomware as well. But obviously we do also have ransomware protection, which should stop that sort of file. You can protect in a couple of ways there against ransomware. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for listening.